Let's try the next question. Find the square root of 11664. 11,664. Here make a group of two numbers. The last digit is 1, therefore I'll add 0. Again 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 minus 1 0. Now 1 plus 1 2 and carry this 16. 1 plus 1 2. See here 16 number. If you try by 1 0 0, you check 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 16. We can't do this. Let us try by 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, and again a bigger number. Therefore what I do here, I'll put 0 here. I'll put 0 here on both sides, and I'll carry this 64, and I'll carry this 64. The same number I'll put. Now you try by the next number. Who is giving you the unit digit 4? 2 square 4, 4 square 8 square 64. Let us try by 8. 8 8s are 64. Carry 6. 8 into 0 0, 0 plus 6 6. 8 2s are 16. 1664 minus 1664 is the remainder is 0. Therefore the square root of 11,664 is equal to 108. Thank you for watching. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. Welcome to Anjanadri Academy. Today let us learn how to find the square root of any number by the division method. By division method, let us find the square root of any given number. To understand this method, division method, we need to know some square numbers, at least minimum up to 15. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. Similarly, 11 square is 121, 12 square is 144, 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169, and 14 square is 196, and 15 square is 225. Dear students, just you observe the unit digits. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Here the unit digit is 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. See, these are the unit digits we need to focus. Tell me the square number which has unit digit is equal to 1. The square numbers which have unit digit 1, 1 square is 1, 9 square is 81. In 81, the unit digit is 1. Similarly, tell me the square numbers whose unit digit is 4. The 2 square is 4, and 8 square is 64. And 12 square is also 144. Remember. And tell me the square number whose unit digit is 6. Below 10, 4 square is 16, 6 square is 36. The unit digits are 6. Tell me the square number whose unit digit is 9. That is 3 square is 9, 7 square is 49. See, these are the things you should remember to solve the questions on division method. Let us take one small question based on this. Let's solve some questions based on division method. Find the square root of 441. How you find the square root of 441? Let us write the numbers 441 like this. Make the group of two numbers. Here 1 4 and 4 is 1, therefore I'll add 0 here. I'll make it 2-digit number. 4. Let us take 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. See, this 4 is equal to 2 square. I always use the square numbers here to calculate. 2 twos are 4. You subtract like division method. 4 minus 4, 0. And carry this whole 2-digit number, that is 41. This is the way we have to solve the division method. Now we have to add this 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is how much? 4. Now I'll take one number whose unit digit is 1. See, I have to take the same number here which will give you the unit digit 1. 1 ones are 1 ones are 1, 1 into 4, 4, 1 fours are 4, 41. The remainder is 0. Therefore, the answer for square root of 441 is equal to 21. That answer I had to take 21 question. Now, the square root of 196. I'll write 196. Group of two numbers. 1 remains 1. Single digit number. I'll make it 2-digit number by adding 0. Let us take 1 square. 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. I'll carry this 96 together. 1 plus 1, 2. I had to add this. I'll carry this 96. See the unit digit of 96, that is 6. Dear students, you know that 4 square will give you 16 and 6 square will give you 36. 6, 6. I'll use 4 first. Let us see whether we'll get the answer. 4 4s are 16. 4 to the 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Yes, 4 is the correct answer. If you take 6, you will not get the answer, remainder 0. Therefore, the square root of 196 is equal to 14. Let's take one more question. Find the square root of 676. What is the square root of 676? I'll make the group of number two numbers. 76. 6 is a single digit number. I'll add 0 to that. Let us find the number nearest to 6. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. I can't take the higher number. I'll take the smaller number, that is 4, which is nearest to 6. 2 2s are 4. Subtract this. 6 minus 4, that is 2. Now I'll carry this 76. What is the next step? You add these numbers. 2 plus 2, 4. Next, I want a unit digit 6. 4 square is giving you 16 and 6 square is also giving you 36. Let us see which number is going to work out. Let us take 4. 4 4s are 16. Carry 1. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. See, it is not going to work out. Therefore, I'll take 6, which is not going to give a remainder 0. I'll take the 6th number. 6 you try now. 6 6 are 36. Carry 3. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27. The remainder is 0. Therefore, the correct answer is the square root of 676 is equal to 26. 26 is the correct answer for the given question. Let us take one more question. Find the square root of 1089. What is the square root of 1089? Let us rewrite this number 1089. I'll make the group of two numbers 10 and 89. Let us write the square numbers. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9 and 4 square 16. 4 square 16 I can't take because 10 is smaller than 16. Therefore, I'll take 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. 189. I'll carry this 89 also. Now we have to add 3 plus 3, 6. 6 I'll write here. And I want a single digit, unit digit number, that is 9. I'll take 3 square 9, 7 square also 49. Let us see. By 3 we try. 3 3s are 9. 3 6 are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 6 are 18. 189 minus 189, that is 0. It is giving you the remainder 0. Therefore, the square root of 1089 is equal to 33. 33 is the correct answer for this given number. Let us take one more number. Find the square root of 1369. How you find the square root of 1369? Let us take a two-digit group of two numbers. 69, 13. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. I have to use the number less than 13 or equal to 13. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 I'll write here. 13 minus 9 is 4. And I'll carry this 69. 3 plus 3, 6. Now the unit digit again is 9 here. 3 square 9. 7 square is giving you also 49. Let us take this highest number here. 3 3 you try. 3 3s are 9. 3 6 are 18. It is not giving you the correct answer. Therefore, I'll try by 7. 7 7s are 49. 49. Carry 4. 7 6s are 42 plus 4, 46. Now you subtract, the remainder you get is 0. Therefore, the square root of 1369 The square root of 1369 is equal to 37. This is how we have to solve the question on division method. Let us take one more method, 1849. The square root of 1849. Let us write these numbers one more time. 1849. Make the group of two numbers 1849. 49, 18. 49 and 18. Let us write the number 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. I have to take the nearest number to 18 less than 18. 4 square is 16. 18 minus 16 is 2. And I'll carry this 49. 249. 4 plus 4, 8. And let us see the number whose unit digit is 9. 3 square is 9, 7 square is 49. Let us try. 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. Yes, 3 is correct. 249 minus 249, that is 0. Remainder is 0. Therefore, the correct answer of square root of 1849 is equal to 43. 43 is the correct answer for this given question. Let us take one more question. Square root of 2809. What is the square root of 2809? He is asking. Let us find. Make a group of two numbers. 28. 5 square 25. I'll take this number. 28 minus 25, that is 3. 309. Now 5 plus 5, 10. I want a unit digit 9 here. Therefore, I'll take 3 3s are 9 or 7 7s are 49. Let us try by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 into 0, 0. 3 1s are 3. 309 minus 309, the remainder is 0. Therefore, the correct answer for the square root of 2809 is equal to 53. Find the square root of 7921. 8 square 64, 9 square 81. Therefore, the nearest square number to 79 is 8 square. 8 8s are 64. 9 minus 4 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. Carry this 21. 8 plus 8, 16. Now, check the unit digit number 1 whose square is 81. 9 square is 81. 9 6 are 54 plus 8, 62. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 1521. Therefore, the correct answer is 89. The square root of 7921 is 89. Let us take one more question. Find the square root of 9604. 9604. 2 digit number. Make a 2 digit number. 96. 8 square is 64. 9 square is 81. 10 square is 100. I'll take 9 square. 9 9s are 81. 6 minus 1, 5. 9 minus 8, 1. 0, 4. 9 plus 9, 18. I want a square number whose unit digit is 4. 8 square 64. I'll try. 8 8s are 64. Carry 6. 8 8s are 64 plus 6, 70. Carry 7. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 not 4 minus 15 not 4 will give you remainder 0. Therefore, the square root of 9604 is equal to 98. 98 is the correct answer. Find the square root of 12544. It is a 3-step method. Please be careful. Do watch it. Now, make a group of two numbers 44, 25, 01. 1 1s are 1. Let us take 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Carry this 25 now. Carry this 25. What is the next step? Add these 1 plus 1, that is 2. Take one number here. Let us try 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, which is a greater number. It is wrong. Therefore, I will take 1 1 now. Here also 1, here also 1. 1 1. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. 21. Subtract this, you will get 4. Carry this again 44. 444. Add this 21 plus 1. 22. I want unit digit 4. Who is giving you unit digit 4? 2 square is 4. 8 square is 64. Let us try by 2 now. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4. 444 minus 444 is giving you the remainder 0. Therefore, the square root of 12544, 12,544 is equal to 112. So this is the way we have to solve the division method. Let's take one more number. Square root of 18225 is how much? Let us take this 18225. Make a group of two numbers. 0 I'll add here. 1 ones are 1. 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0. Carry this 82 now. Add this 1 plus 1 2. Let us take one number here. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. If you try by 4, you will not get the answer. Where nearest number? Let us try by 4. Let's see. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. 96, which is a bigger number, which is not going to give you the correct answer. Therefore, try by 3 only. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 82 minus 69. 12 minus 9 is 3. 8 minus 7 is 1. Now carry this 25. Now, what is the next step? 23 plus 3. That 23 plus 3, we have to add 26. Now you take a digit the square number who is giving you the unit digit 5. 5 square 25. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32. Carry 3. 5 2 are 10. 10 plus 3 13. 1325 minus 1325. The remainder is 0. Therefore, the square root of 18225, 18,225 is 135. 135 is the correct answer.